Good afternoon. This is Susan with Couch Potato Broadcast. We're here to give you a live on-scene weather update on Hurricane Sandy. Take it away, Candy.
This is Candy Apples from Couch Potato Broadcast reporting live on Hurricane Sandy. As you can see, many locals have started to evacuate. So make sure to keep a full... Sandy! Make sure to keep a full gallon of water at all times.
Don't be unsure. Drink pure.
Refreshing! And we're back to Couch Potato Broadcast. As you will find out, the storm has driven many locals to their extreme. How are you preparing for the storm? Getting all the leaves from the squirrel can get up! Ah! That's my stick! I'm here with one local to see how they're preparing for Hurricane Sandy.
Who let the dogs out? 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 But the party was nice to...
And this is Candy Apples back with Couch Potato Broadcast. Currently 58 degrees outside, partly cloudy, 999 chance for rain. And this is Candy Apples concluding this broadcast of Hurricane Sandy.
You know, Marvin, I'm not so sure about this segment. I think we should do it on global warming.